Hey everyone, Kathy here from Dirty Booty Soaps, and today I'm going to do a rose clay bath bomb for Valentine's Day. This is going in a set I have. It's going to be 2 bombs and a soap. So right now I've got these molds. These are from Bambleberry. They're a Victorian heart mold, and they're gorgeous. I've already made my soaps about a month ago. You go back on my videos, you'll find the soaps that I did. The rose clay soaps in white tea and ginger. And they turned out fantastic. So right now I'm just prepping my little molds here for the bath bombs. And the mix, I've got my bath bomb mix here, the dry ingredients. I've made enough to do 8 of the small bombs, and then I've got my big molds over here on the other end. I'll show you. And it'll make 2 of these. So on these ones, I'm putting in just a little bit of glitter to those molds, and on these molds I've crumbled in some dried rose petals. So our molds are prepped. Put the roses off to the side. I've got my dry ingredients right here. It's pretty much your basic bath bomb mixture. I've got in, excuse me, I should have a mask on. That plus I already have a cough. So I've got my baking soda, citric acid, and I've got some SLSA in there, because I like a little bubble action on my bombs. I'm just grabbing my gloves. Pardon me. These gloves are pain. I bought a whole big box of them at Walgreens, which is where I usually get my gloves, and these are not one size, let me tell you. It says one size, they're not one size. Not unless my hands have grown, like, exponentially. Anyway, get my gloves on, because this irritates the skin. We don't want to irritate our skin. So, the fragrance I'm using is the same in the bombs as I used in the soap. It's white tea and ginger. Very pretty fragrance. So what I'm going to add to my mix now is my rose clay. And all I'm doing is trying to get into the bag of rose clay. I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of the rose clay. I find it gives it such a beautiful color. And this rose clay I got from Brambleberry. I got a big 1-pound bag of it. Put that off to the side. And I'll put this off to the side. So I'm just mixing the clay into my dry ingredients as best I can with the whisk. It's a really pretty clay color, isn't it? It's just a really nice color. I just wanted to make these look a little more natural for Valentine's Day rather than going with an artificial colorant. So I've got that mixed in. I'm sure I have to mix more, but I'm going to pour in my wet ingredients, which in my recipe is coconut oil, my fragrance, and some poly 80. And I'll just kind of keep going, kind of chopping this in, and then I'll switch to my hands. Just kind of chopping this into little bits. Oops. I switch to my hands and just start turning. Kind of grabbing into the bottom. So we seem to have gotten over our nasty cold spell, which was wind chills of upwards of 45 below zero. It was terrible. I just can't tell you how terrible. It's like unbelievable. My mother's like, oh my God. She says, what kind of coat do you wear? I said, no, it's just a winter coat. I said, I really try not to go out. She's from Nevada, so she's not used to those kind of temperatures. And I wasn't either when I first moved here. So, give it a few spritzes of witch hazel. Keep mixing. It's the only thing, really, I say it every time, I just hate how messy this is. I should get it like a deeper bowl. Okay. So scooch that there. And you can see we're dry. So I'm just going to start packing my molds. Pressing in as we go. Trying to work quick, using the heel of my hand to push down really hard. Again, with these, when we're done, I'll give them a final spritz of alcohol and set them down by the dehumidifier. And that really helps to dry them out quicker. Some more. Oh, what a mess. What a mess, what a mess, what a mess. Anyway, these turn into really nice gift sets. Not just for Valentine's Day, but anytime you want to pamper somebody you love, since we got the whole heart theme going. I think we were going to head up to Montreal this weekend, but now I'm looking at Saturday's weather, and it's calling for ice, a chance of some icing on Saturday, so I'm not sure if we're going to go up on Saturday or not now. I'm going to set this off to the side, bring over my other one. So we may go up on Sunday. We shall see. It's we're going to get together hopefully with my husband's youngest son, my stepson. It's his birthday coming up. So we thought we'd either meet him for lunch or have him over for dinner. So we shall see. Boy, pack those in nice and tight, because they'll be easy to pop out then. Oh, there we go. Using all my muscles and getting a workout. Oh, here's an update on my diet. I am just almost 8.5 pounds lighter now. Which in the long run isn't much, but hey, every little bit counts. And it's not bad for being on my diet for less than a month. So, I'm pretty happy. Things are coming off. Definitely a lot easier to gain weight than it is to take it off. But, anyway, what can you do, right? Whoosh. So anyway, yes, working on doing my Fitbit and entering all my calories and you know, going on the treadmill at least 3, sometimes I tried to get 4 mile-long walks a day on the treadmill at a fast pace. So it works out to like between 4.5 and 5 miles that I get in a day. Like I said, that and watching our calories, of course. So still sticking. So we'll go ahead and fill these up. Now my last batch I did of these, I only filled 2 of these big hearts. I'm wondering if it's going to do 3 this time for some odd reason. Anyway, I think it might. I feel like I gotta sneeze. Anyway, I thought I'd do a couple separate packages of these big bath bombs. The little ones are going in the gift set. These big ones, I figured I'd wrap separately. Oh, man. So let me get, where's my glitter? I'm just going to tap a little bit of glitter in one more. And use the rest of this mix up in this one. So it's not quite a full bomb. Oh, look at this mess. Messy, messy. I can't wait till we move and I have my own little soaping area where I can contain my mess to where it's supposed to be, you know. Anyway, that's packed nice and tight. Okay, so we'll give them a spritz of alcohol. And we'll get my other tray spray. And then I've got some that are already done, and I'll show you. Put that downstairs. Just let me tidy up here a little bit. And going to take my gloves off here. Excuse me. Okay, so I got them already done. How am I going to gracefully do this? Hold on. Bear with me. I didn't transfer them to a plate. So I'll show you here. Anyway, this is what we get at the end. Let me zoom in here. Aren't they pretty? So here's our small ones. You can see the little flower petals on the top. They turned out awesome. I love the color. And then here's our big ones with the glitter. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love the Victorian heart molds. Like I said, I got these on Brambleberry. There's 2 sizes, the larger ones and the smaller ones. And I did my soap. Well, I did with the large and the small, but I'm going to put 2 bath bombs in with one of these larger soaps. Aren't they pretty? You can see the gold. And then I did do some of the smaller soaps as well. Same fragrance, white tea and ginger, and using rose clay as the colorant in the soap. Turned out beautiful. So you can look for this set. As soon as I get pictures taken, we'll be putting these on our Etsy store. So click the link below in the box if you want to go see what these look like. And spoil that special somebody for Valentine's Day. Why not? The soap is awesome. and the bath bombs are just wonderful and natural except for the fragrance. But the white tea and ginger is really a lovely fragrance. It's a really popular one. So anyway, I thank you for watching again. And I think I'm done with the bath bomb kick. Next up will be another soap. Probably, in another week or two, we'll do another soap video. So anyway, enjoy, and thank you for watching. I'll say goodbye, and goodbye, Emma. If you're watching, my little granddaughter, she loves to watch my videos. So anyway, you all take care, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe, please push subscribe and you'll be notified of a new video when they pop up. Thanks again. Everybody have a great day. Bye for now.